Hey and welcome to another video. Do you also always have a blurry rear view camera where you can't really see well on the display because just a lot of dirt and grime accumulates there? I have found a solution for that. So this car, I always put a paint sealant on it, you know, like a protector, like a quick detailing spray, like a turtle wax or Zonax. And I discovered that when you spray a bit on a microfiber cloth like this, it smells really nice like cocos, this Zonax. And then if you put it here on the camera, it actually creates an invisible layer which repels dirt, repels water, and as a result your rear view camera stays cleaner much longer with better vision. Of course, this is not the solution where it'll always be crystal clear, but as a matter of fact I tried this out and it works really well for me. Go ahead and give it a try. Try your own favorite product that's already in your garage. Maybe it's turtle wax, maybe it's Zonax, maybe it's something different, Maguire's. Let me know what's your tip to keep your camera cleaner, and I hope it was useful. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.